What's up, Mason, Caleb, and Sophia? In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to improve the quality of our backyard soccer by playing better defense and through the use of something that's super important, ball movement, otherwise known as sharing the ball. That's right, sharing. Let's be honest about what a typical match looks like in our backyard. Let's say, hypothetically, I have possession of the ball and I take a shot and it ricochets off the garage. You guys all chase after the ball, competing with one another to get the ball, and then you're all jostling with one another to advance the ball down, and someone takes a silly shot, and then you guys just chase the ball up and down, huddled with one another, and this is not strategically smart. We need to think about smarter ways to approach this game because, for example, if Sofia takes a shot and then I get possession, because you guys are all down here, I've got a clean shot at the goal and I can take it, boom, score a point, and you guys don't want that. All right, Mason, you're up first. You're going to be playing defense today. In fact, you're going to be our goalkeeper, and your job is to keep an eye on the ball and shift back and forth with the direction of the ball so that if I take a shot, you're there to deflect it. You want to keep, of course, the ball from going into the goal, but if you get distracted, if you stop paying attention and you shift over here, what I know is that all of a sudden I've got a good look at the goal, and what that means is I can kick it in for an easy score, and we don't want that, right? Your objective is to keep the ball out of the net. And now let's think about Caleb and Sophia. So if Caleb's playing defense and Sophia's playing offense, if she's a striker, we're going to be thinking strategically about ball movement, and we're going to be thinking about spacing. So, for example, if Sophia's hanging out right here, what I know is that if I take a shot in the goal and it's a bad shot, so now all of a sudden Caleb's got possession. What he's going to do is he's going to kick the ball to Sofia, and I'm trying to catch up, but what I know is I'm too late, and that's an easy goal for the kids. Now let's switch so that Caleb's on offense and Sophia's on defense, and let's think about what we should do. So I said a moment ago, we want to think about like where we are on the field. And so if Sophia's got possession right here, right, and I'm closing in on her, Caleb, where should you be? Not here, but you want to be over here so that if Sofia kicks the ball, she can find you easily, and then you can score, and there's nothing I can do. And so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be thinking about where we are in relationship to the entire field, and obviously there's not a lot of space, and we're going to be thinking about where we are in relationship to each other. That way, you guys can start dominating in backyard soccer.